Tracking time without making your team feel watched can be a challenge, but it's definitely possible with the right tools and approach. If you're looking for a way to manage time efficiently without causing discomfort or resistance from your team, you're in the right place. Stick around and I'll show you how to do it in just 3 minutes. First off, let's talk about why tracking time can feel invasive. If you're tracking every minute of your team's work, it can lead to a lack of trust and negatively impact morale. The key is transparency and flexibility. Start by making sure your team knows the purpose behind tracking time. When they understand that it's about improving processes, not spying, they're more likely to be on board. Next, use a time tracking tool that focuses on results rather than micromanaging every click or keystroke. Many popular tools out there focus heavily on monitoring every little action. But what you really need is software that gives your team the autonomy to focus on their work while giving you the insights you need to measure productivity. The software we'll be using today is one that allows you to track time without monitoring every single move. It's focused on outcomes and gives your team the ability to record their time in a way that feels natural and doesn't disrupt their workflow. You can see the big picture, like how much time is being spent on specific projects, but without making your team feel like they're constantly under a microscope. You can also set flexible parameters for when and how time is tracked, making it easier for your team to manage without feeling pressured. The best part is it gives both managers and team members the control they need to plan and execute their tasks effectively. Now, let's talk about how you can implement this in your workflow. When setting up your time tracking system, make it voluntary. Don't force it on your team, but rather encourage them to log their time as they see fit. You can create a culture where time tracking is seen as a tool for improvement rather than a method of control. Another key tip is to avoid tracking individual productivity all the time. Instead, focus on project-level tracking. This helps your team understand the bigger picture, and you get the data you need to improve efficiency. If you really want to enhance your team's experience, consider allowing them to group similar tasks together and track their overall time for a project rather than individual tasks. Throughout this process, maintain open communication with your team. Ask for feedback on how the system is working for them and be open to adjusting the approach if necessary. Make sure to highlight the benefits for everyone: better time management, more efficient workflows, and reduced stress. As promised, I've partnered with the software we've been using today to offer you an exclusive free trial. You can grab that in the description below and follow along with this tutorial. It's an excellent way to start tracking time without causing any discomfort in your team. So, here's your key takeaway. To track time without making your team feel watched, focus on results, not every detail. Use tools that offer flexibility, transparency, and autonomy to your team. And remember, communication is key. To recap, make time tracking voluntary, use software that focuses on outcomes, and create a culture of trust. And don't forget to take advantage of that exclusive free trial in the description below if you want to start implementing this approach today. Thanks for watching.